Hi everyone! For my Web 2.0 tech review, here is LEGO Education. LEGO Education has been around for more than 30 years, creating a playful learning experience that brings life to the classroom through everyday curriculum. The hands-on learning experience ignites children's natural desire to explore and discover as they learn the subjects science, technology, engineering, and math more effectively. The LEGO system is designed to improve 21st century skills where students can express themselves through their own creativity and imagination. And the LEGO Robotic Learning Solution also encourages collaboration and teamwork, which is critical in the 21st century. For teachers, the site has simple lesson plans that you can also follow. They are also available for support and guide you, offer tips and tricks and training to meet your curriculum objective, and provide all the tools you may need. Here are some of the lesson plans. So while students build and learn with LEGO Education, they will also learn coding. Coding is actually telling the app or the computer or the robot what to do. Coding is part of what is called computational thinking. So here it shows you how you can start coding. And explains why should elementary students learn to code. With the LEGO We Do 2.0, it lets kids experiment by drag and drop, where they learn computer concepts while having fun at the same time. So overall, I really like the We Do 2.0 from LEGO Education as a new learning tool designed to introduce robotics, engineering, programming, and general STEM teaching through a robot-based learning system.